Hello, my name is Moe Salem. I am part owner of Ace's Garage Door Repair and Installation. We are a family-owned business. We specialize in garage door repair and installation and a garage door opener repair and installation. We strive to satisfy every customer. All of our work is A+, and if it is not, we come back and make sure that it is as many times as it takes. Some of the biggest reasons people choose us is because our work is very effective. We use very high-end quality parts. Our prices are very competitive. Another thing that sets us apart from the competition is the warranty that we strongly stand by. Any issues you have, we come, we address them, we make sure you are satisfied and the work is done properly. We started this family business in 2009, serving the Bay Area. Now we cover the entire northern part of California, servicing over 10,000 customers a year. Here at Ace's Garage Door, all of our technicians and installers are very highly skilled with tremendous experience, or who are very honest with great integrity. We come in, make sure we have booties on, keep your house clean up after ourselves. We don't leave any marks anywhere. The job will be very effective, and we work to make your doors as safe as possible. If your garage door operation and design is very important to you, it is even more important to us. When you call us, we will get to the bottom of what you really need and provide solutions for that and nothing other than that. We make sure what you ask for is what you get. If your goal is to get a new garage door or to repair your current garage door, call Ace's Garage Door. We will guarantee the job will be done right and you will be very happy.